Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is SH0T. Now, you might have seen the graphic images, on the various news sites, social media, of a brazen murder of a taxi man, right? Was caught on camera. Happened in a gas station, right? I'm gonna talk about it. The dead man is Nicholas Scott, right? He's from Lincoln Crescent, right? You don't know, South St. Andrew. Him come from a place right side of which part them claim say bunny them run off. Already. Until they start for them corner this, them lock here, so them run over here, so them this, them that. Right. So at that corner there, right, him live close to, and them man there him affiliated with. This affiliation, right, end up costing his life. You see, Nicholas Scott, right, is known as the driver for the Jamaican nation with them, right? Even though he's a taxi man. So he's a taxi man, but when time they want certain things dealt with, when they want to move to a certain place, him and him go to. This is something where might cost you a life, right? In the 87 world. This link would make him get branded as basically Jamaican nation. Go for this, pick up him, go over here so, right, Cameroon here so. This link would start to extend greater than just a taxi man. So he was targeted and killed, let me say. It was all caught on camera, right? The moment where you see the bike ride into the gas station, right? You see them pull in, stop little, more than likely visually confirm say, right, him there on the scene. Right, you see the pillion step off of the bike. He's wearing a high visibility jacket. Right. This is likely so, him can look like a site worker and doesn't get pulled over by the police. We don't know. 87th wear all kind of various costumes and they mimic various jobs. With 87th, right, go around, look like delivery man, all kind of things. Right. It just make them get past, right, the police easier. Remember, you're seeing hundreds of bikes on a daily basis. Right. Police are looking for certain clues. Police are looking for somebody to pull over. It's less likely they're gonna pick off, the man they want to deliver food, or a man where, look like he might come from a site. You get the general idea. So it's to, disguise themselves and get past the police easier so they don't get pulled over and searched. Because if that was to happen, obviously, them has some serious problem. Sometimes the police them realize a trend and then start to pull over and search people who fit that description. The thing is, when this start to happen, then people start to ball say, police them fight against the youth them. Right? Remember enough man go around looking like delivery man, right? Them ready think on them back when they're supposed to carry food now. Enough man just drive around them thing there, right? And rob people, right? Now as we know, most youths who ride around on the bike them, right, with them delivery bag there, are actually delivery youths them. But 87s take advantage of this. The 87s chew on one of the bag too. Go on like say he might deliver food, but instead he might deliver gunshot, right? He might deliver death and destruction, right? He not drop off no food, he might come to take something from you. But as I say, it's kind of a lose-lose situation with the security forces, because if them left the man, they make them just ride up and don't gonna stop none, then you say, right, you're not do enough. And if you pull over enough of them because they can't know who, so you pull over enough and search enough, then you say I fight against you. So it's a tricky situation. Nevertheless, more the man them who use them bike, right, figure them work or do them honest living, still say at 87s, right, and make on a life harder. Because 87s are just up like right, and I shoot people, I rob people. Right. And now, right, the security forces have no choice but, right, to pull over people. So now you are go about your business, right? You actually work on a site, you actually electrician, you actually use your bike, right, for your honest living, right? You actually deliver food, but nobody know who is who. So now you get pulled over and I get searched, right, and you're trouble nobody. right? And you get upset with the police officer when really you should be upset with 87 because 5 more men look just like you in the same uniform, right? Rob and kill people 3 days ago. So as I say, people need to start taking out them anger upon the 87s, right? And not the security forces who are trying to do something about it. So going back to the shooting, you see him step off of the bike, and then you see a single flash from the muzzle, right? Look like a fireball, and then you hear a continuous burst of gunfire. That points to the fact that it's likely some kind of automatic handgun, or maybe they modified, with the switch, right, with my put on them Glock now. All of them 87s, they want to put switch on them Glock, or as them say in the Iron Man, them chip it, chip Glock, or typical foolishness. I mean, 87s can barely shoot straight when they fire upon semi-auto. Think about how incompetent the 87 is when they fire semi-auto. Now imagine that same 87 a fire upon automatic. You better hope so you're nowhere around. A second taxi driver was also shot and injured. As I say, it was one continuous burst of gunfire, then we say shot a fly all over the place. Right. Second taxi driver, you go around, it sounds like he's going to survive. That's for wait for your update on him. So St. Andrew looking spooky again. This youth, as I say, people have him as, Jamaican Nation taxi driver. Right. He's not exactly known as a big top gang member, right, who a girl, but as I say, because of the affiliation, Jamaican Nation is likely going to see this as an attack on them. So things can get real ugly real quickly in South St. Andrew. Plus, we're hearing reports that, bird-brain youth, right on the ground, Merman is active again. Matter of fact, this youth will lose his life, Nicholas Scott. He's also known as one of the main men them Merman use to move around when he's on the road. Right? And by the way, yes, your ears them not fail you. You heard me say Merman. Merman. Yes, one of the main youth in my bird brain now, a quote unquote run the ground. It's called Merman. As in, like when you have mermaid, it's youth named Merman. I mean, your favorite leaders enough for the better. Only if you have man named Merman, I cause be a problem in a community. Merman. How do you look on somebody in another country and tell them, say, right, you have to run the left your community because somebody named Merman the rest of your life? How do you look on somebody in a faraway land like, Greenland, one of them place there? Somebody from Uzbekistan, and tell them, say, say, I have to take up myself from Iron Man because Merman say he might kill me. Merman. See, this is the thing when I understand Iron Man people. People say, Jamaicans are bad people, not take the talk. Correction, we not take the talk from police. We not take the talk from people wear uniform, but we take that from gunman. Because if Merman to jump, you say how high. As a matter of fact, remember the video with the man that make the taxi empty. I'm saying come out of this, everybody jump out. If he was wearing a JCF uniform and say come out of this, nobody would even move. Matter of fact, he might get a kick in his face. The clown, the piece of stick said, come out of this, everybody move fast. So when people say Iron Man a rebel, they mean rebel against people in a uniform. Any 87, as a matter of fact, anybody who even does profile like a 87 can give them an order and then follow it. So, when you see the murder, we have a better idea as to what went down, but this is just the start. More than likely, things is going to get worse from here on. More than likely, something else is going to follow this because I just saw the thing said. The only way not to come out of this is if Jamaican Nation decides to, well, it really was not important to the gang, so whatever. I doubt that will happen, but we will see. But let me say, it's not exactly prominent, high-ranking member of the gang where them say, no, somebody half a dead back. Right? I don't know if that's going to be the case here, so right, they might just say, oh, forget about this. But we will see. Look like Jamaican Nation and them rivals might be back in the news soon. Anyway, HM Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Outer Squad, stay circling. Bless.